Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, students, in your social science class, we are going to do chapter number 6 locating placing on earth. Topic is latitudes and longitudes. You know that earth is not flat. It is much like a very big sphere that has no corners, no beginning and no end. So, it is very difficult to describe the location of places on it. Therefore, we use some imaginary fixed points, lines on the earth's surface to help us locate different places on it. The North Pole, South Pole and Equator are such fixed points and lines. So in this lesson you will need oranges. I like to use two orange to demonstrate. I use the first orange to draw the lines of latitudes and use the second orange to peel and use the lines of longitude. So students, look at this orange. These lines that drawing around the orange will be called lines of latitudes. Means लेटी हुई latitude and prime meridian. Identify the north and south pole on their peeled orange. Have them pick any one of lines from the orange. And this is called prime meridian. A meridian is a line of longitude. So look at this image of orange, line of longitude on an orange. Okay. And that these are some slices of orange. Now latitude versus longitude. Definition: latitudes is the term that describes how far south or north from the equator that location is. Longitude is used to describe how far east or west it is located from an imaginary line that connects the north and south pole. Longitude are also called meridians. Okay. So vertical lines are called longitude and horizontal lines are called lines of latitudes. So you can take other example of ball. Okay. Now latitudes, lines of latitude are also called parallels because they run parallel to each other and never touch. For example, if you cut an orange into slices, the slices near the center would be the biggest near the center and the ends would be the smallest. The latitude line of 0 degrees at the center and is called the equator. All lines of latitude north of this line are in northern hemisphere and all the lines south of this line are called in southern hemisphere. Okay, and orange cut along lines of latitudes. Latitude, we have two pole, northern hemisphere and south pole is southern hemisphere. 40-degree north is line of latitude. Now longitude. Lines of longitude are also called meridians. They all touch at the north and south pole at the distance apart is greatest at the equator. For example, if an orange was cut along lines of longitude, all faces would be same size. The 0-degree line of longitude is called the prime meridian. All lines west of this line are in the western hemisphere. All lines east of this line are in the eastern hemisphere. Eventually, the western and eastern hemisphere meet again at the international date line, which is directly opposite the prime meridian. Look at this orange. This orange is cut along lines of longitude. They end up shaped like wedges. Longitude lines of longitude begin at the prime meridian 0 degree. Middle line is also called prime meridian. 60 degree west is the 60 degree line of longitude west of prime meridian and 60 degree east is the 60 degree line of longitude east of the prime meridian. Now student, look at this orange. Orange cut through lines of longitude and orange cut through lines of latitudes. So longitude versus latitude. Longitude is a measurement of distance east or west of the prime meridian. Involves meridians which are imaginary vertical lines that run across the globe. There are 360 meridians. The lines of 0 degree is the prime meridian. Latitudes, there are 180 parallels. Now student, look at chapter number 6 from your course book, locating places on planet Earth, latitudes and longitudes. So there is a chat between Tina and mother about latitudes and longitudes. Okay, lines of latitudes and longitudes are also imaginary lines as I cannot see them on the earth's surface. How do these lines help in locating places on the earth? Okay, so students, the imaginary lines circling the globe in an east-west direction are called lines of latitudes and the lines of latitude run at equal distance. And the equator is the longest latitude because the latitudes get shorter and shorter towards the poles. And North Pole and South Pole are also called the lines of latitudes. North Pole and South Pole are the only latitudes that are not parallel to the equator. So students, do let's try one of your page number 73. Okay, do it. 73 pages from your course book. Bye. Thank you.